You can find me at 5:30 on a winter morning, setting up the camera to capture the moment the sunrise peeks over the horizon. The freshly fallen snow sets the scene on a landscape architecture project that brought a local community together following tragedy. My name is Heather Conley. I'm an artist and an architectural photographer, and I love the work I do. My industry clients have a passion for what they do and the communities they design and build projects for. It's an honor for me to be asked to capture their stories, because when like minds come together that value what the other does, the results are powerful. With a career of marketing experience, art direction, and project management, I serve my clients as much more than a photographer, but as a trusted advisor. Interactively creating a shared vision, we plan, stage, and capture their projects to deliver the results that get them a return on their investment. It's these valuable partnerships that elevate my clients to win their next great project and the recognition that comes with it. Collaborating with them to capture the vision of their design, the quality of construction, and the elegance of its execution is why we continue to work together year after year.